Hey friends, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to delete or remove passwords in Microsoft Edge. Before we jump in guys, would you mind take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button, because this will let me know that you found value within this video. And on top of that, the biggest benefit is that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Now let's continue. So once you're inside your Edge browser, guys, you want to click the three dots on the upper right hand side, then click on settings. Now here under the profile, you want to look towards the bottom and you'll find passwords. You can click on that. And now you want to go ahead and either scroll and look for the password that you want to delete, or you can go ahead and search. So I'm going to use test as an example by simply searching for a test password here, and then I'm going to click on that. Now here you can go ahead and try to edit this password and you'll be able to make changes to it, or you can go ahead and hit the delete button. I also want to mention this as well. In case you receive a pop-up just before you view it asking you to enter some credentials, it most likely will ask you to enter your Windows credentials because of administrative rights that will allow you to modify passwords in the browser. So if that happens, just simply go ahead and enter your Windows credentials, and then you can easily go ahead and delete password as you wish. And that's it guys, that's how you can go ahead and do that. So I'm going to delete a couple passwords here so that you can see. Very easy and very simple guys. Here you have it guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.